So a quick one, there's a misconception that I just wanted to clarify. So a lot of people that are not in the field think that when you become a cloud or a DevOps engineer, you are just coding all day, every day. Well, coding is one part of the job, but it is not 100% of the job. So here are some other tasks that you might find yourself doing while being a cloud or a DevOps engineer. So first, you are going to be involved in a lot of project meetings where you're scoping the architecture and the effort required to deliver that project. You and the rest of the people involved in that project would come together, discuss about the requirements of this project and how long is it going to take realistically to get this delivered. You're going to find yourself carrying out a lot of ad hoc tasks whereby things come out of nowhere and you need to resolve those issues. So for example, things might break in the production environment or lower environments that you need to fix. So you're going to be dealing with a lot of situations like this. You need to troubleshoot and fix the issues. So it's just part of the debugging. Also, you're going to be writing a lot of documentation. So when you're part of a project and you deploy the infrastructure of that project, the code that you've written, how the infrastructure is set up, the only person that knows that is going to be you. So all the minute details that you've discovered throughout the project, document it so that whoever comes after you to take over that project should be able to just go through that documentation and find every detail they need in there. Finally, depending on how senior you are, or even sometimes if you're not senior, you're going to find yourself mentoring people and delivering a 1 hour kind of call where you educate the rest of the team about a specific tool that they may have never used before. So for example, while I was at PwC, I once had to do a session about the similarities or the differences between GitHub Actions and Azure DevOps, because there was a lot of people that were not aware or familiar with GitHub Actions and how it worked. So me being the first person in the team that's actually used it, I had to deliver a department-wide session so I can just show them how GitHub Action works, etc. So these were just some examples that I just wanted to share with you. So while coding is part of the job, it doesn't take up 100% of our day.